Chapter 8 Average Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to calculate the average of similar quantities. Warm up. Neha has obtained the following marks in her first term examination. Find out the total marks she has obtained from 500. Subject English 85, Subject Hindi 91, Subject Mathematics 89, Subject Science 92, Subject Social Studies 98. Teachers note: tell students that they have calculated the sum of all the numbers obtained. Apprise them about the average, that is defined as the mean value, which is equal to the ratio of the sum of the number of a given set of values to the total number of values present in the set. So, for the above exercise, average is equals to total number obtained by number of subjects. Average gives the number which lies between the largest and the smallest number. Average, sum of all given items or numbers upon number of items. Average can only be calculated for the similar quantities. Solved example. Example 1. Find the average of given number. A. 5, 4, 2, 9, 8. B. 8, 3, 15, 20, 18. C. 6, 1, 6, 2, 3 upon 4, 5, 1 upon 2, 2, 1 upon 3. D. 2, 1 upon 4, 3, 1 upon 6, 2, 1 upon 2, 1, 1 upon 3, 3 upon 4. E. 0.5 plus 0.7 plus 3.2 plus 4.6. F. 1.72 plus 3.4 plus 5.5 plus 6.9. Solution. A. Sum of given numbers 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8 is equals to 28. Number of items 5. Average 28 upon 5 is equals to 5.6. Average 5.6. B. Sum of given number 8 plus 3 plus 15 plus 20 plus 18 equals to 64. Number of items 5. Average 64 upon 5. Average 12, 4 upon 5. C. Sum of given numbers 6, 1 upon 6 plus 2, 3 upon 4 plus 5, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 is equals to 37 upon 6 plus 11 upon 4 plus 11 upon 2 plus 7 upon 3 is equals to 148 plus 66 plus 132 plus 56 upon 24. 402 upon 24, 67 upon 4. Number of items 4. Average 67 upon 4 divided by 4. 67 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 is equals to 67 upon 8 is equals to 8, 3 upon 8. D. Sum of given numbers 2, 1 upon 4 plus 3, 1 upon 6 plus 2, 1 upon 2 plus 1, 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. 9 upon 4 plus 19 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2 plus 4 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. 27 plus 38 plus 30 plus 16 plus 9 upon 12. 120 upon 12 equals to 10. Number of items 5. Average 10 divided by 5. 10 upon 5 is equals to 2. Facts do you know? The average is basically the mean of the values which are represented by bar x. It is also denoted by the symbol E. Sum of given numbers 0.5 plus 0.7 plus 3.2 plus 4.6. 9. Number of items 4. Average 9 upon 4 equals to 1. 5 upon 4. F. Sum of given numbers 1.72 plus 3.4 plus 5.5 plus 6.9. 17.52. Number of items 4. Average 17.52 upon 4 equals to 4.38. Example 2. In an annual examination, Sona obtained the following marks: Mathematics 98, Computer 99, English 97, Hindi 92, GK 95. Find the average marks obtained by her in each subject. Solution. Sum of all the marks 98 plus 99 plus 97 plus 92 plus 95. 481. Number of subjects 5. Average equals to sum of all the marks upon number of subject. 481 upon 5 equals to 96.2. Hence, average marks obtained by her in each subject is 96.2. Example 3. The daily maximum temperature of Delhi during 20th May to 26th May is as follows. Date, day, temperature. 20 Monday 40.6 degree, 21 Tuesday 44 degree, 22 Wednesday 42.5 degree, 23 Thursday 40.7 degree, 24 Friday 41.8 degree, 25 Saturday 43.8 degree, 26 Sunday 39 degree. Find the average temperature. Solution. Average temperature 40.6 plus 44 plus 42.5 plus 40.7 plus 41.8 plus 43.8 plus 39 upon 7 equals to 292.4 upon 7 is equals to 41.7 degree. Example 4. The marks obtained by Agriya in the first 4 unit tests in maths are 85, 92, 98 and 90. Find her average marks. Solution. Agriya's average marks in maths unit test 85 plus 92 plus 98 plus 90 upon 4. 365 upon 4 is equals to 91.25. Hence, Agriya's average marks in maths unit test is 90.25. Example 5. Find the average of all the even number between 1 and 11. Solution. Even numbers between 1 and 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sum of even numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 equals to 30. Total number of even numbers 5. Average 30 upon 5 equals to 6. Average 6. Quick tip. We cannot find the average of unlike measures. For example, we cannot find an average length and weights together. Formula. 1. Average equals to sum of all items upon number of items. 2. Sum of items average into number of items. 3. Number of items sum of items divided by average. Example 6. The total height of a class is 1200 cm. If the average height of a class is 60 cm, find the number of students in the class. Solution. Total 1200 cm, average 60 cm, number of students. Total divide average. 1200 divided by 60 is equals to 20. Hence, there are 20 students in the class. Example 7. The average consumption of rice by a family is 55 kg in 2 months. If there are 8 members in the family, find the total consumption for 2 months. Solution. Average 55 kg. Number of members 8. Total. Average into number of members 55 into 8. 440 kg. Hence, the total consumption of rice for 2 months is 440 kg. Exercise 8.1. Question 1. Find the average of given numbers. A. 52, 83, 49, 22, 64, 12. Answer 41. B. 6.5, 4.2, 2.62, 9.6, 8.5. Answer 6.284. C. 4, 1 upon 2, 5, 1 upon 6, 2, 1 upon 3, 2, 1 upon 2, 1, 1 upon 4, 3, 3 upon 20. D. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Answer 5.6. E. 5, 1 upon 2, 3, 1 upon 2, 4, 1 upon 4, 4. Answer 4, 5 upon 16. F. 6.9, 4.9, 1.2, 0.3, 0.5. Answer 2.76. Question 2. The daily earnings of a fruit seller during a week are rupees 205, rupees 110, rupees 540, rupees 335, rupees 236, rupees 430, rupees 510. Find his average earning per day. Answer 338. Question 5. During 5 successive days, the price of gold are Monday 30,810, Tuesday 29,510, Wednesday 30,980, Thursday 28,510, Friday 29,400. Find the average price of gold in these 5 days. Answer 29,842 rupees. Question 4. Find the average of the following. A. All even numbers between 11 and 21. Answer 16. B. All odd numbers between 2 and 12. Answer 7. C. All prime numbers between 10 and 20. Answer 15. D. First 6 multiples of 10. Answer 35. Question 5. The weight of 6 children in a group are 34 kg, 300 kg, 33 kg, 250 kg, 600 grams, 32 kg, 800 grams, 32 grams, 400 grams and 35 kg, 450 grams. Find the average weight per child. Answer 33 kg, 300 gram. Question 6. The daily earnings of a worker during a week are rupees 104, rupees 85, rupees 127, rupees 132, rupees 96, rupees 110, rupees 130. Find his average daily earnings. Answer rupees 112. Question 7. The prices of 6 trousers are rupees 745, rupees 700, rupees 793, rupees 732, rupees 690 and rupees 750. Find the average price per trousers. Answer rupees 735. Question 8. Find the average marks of class 5th in maths. If the total marks is 2400 and the strength of the class is 50. Answer 48. Question 9. The total sales in a tea shop for a week is rupees 9,723.00. What is the average sale per day? Answer 1,389. Question 10. The marks of 7 students are as follows. Students: Science, Math, Social Science, English, Hindi. Sona 92, 95, 92, 90, 92. Raman 95, 74, 63, 79, 88. Ritu 98, 88, 76, 81, 81. Agriya 93, 86, 83, 95, 80. Mini 91, 100, 74, 84, 79. Mona 99, 92, 80, 92, 85. Raj 90, 90, 98, 88, 75. A. Between Sona and Raj, who has a better average? Find their averages. Answer Sona. B. What is the average marks in science, maths and social science? Which has better average? Answer Science. C. In which subject is the average performed better, Hindi or English? Find the averages. Answer English. Think wisely. The average of 51 terms is 50. If the first 4 terms are 45, 42, 32 and 70, what will be the last term? Answer 61. Mental math. Find the average of the following. A. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Answer 5.6. B. All even numbers between 10 and 20. Answer 15. C. All odd numbers between 1 and 10. Answer 5. D. First 4 multiples of 8. Answer 20. E. First 6 natural numbers. Answer 3.5. Maths lab activity. Materials required. Buttons. Steps 1. Write down first 5 natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Now using the beats, we will find the average of these numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Place the buttons. Transfer buttons from more to less to make all equal. We get 3 as the average. 3. Now play with the buttons and find the average of the following. A. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. B. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. C. 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21.